cannot upload anything. I don't know what's wrong with the YouTube. He is so, you know, drama king. Drama king. But I promise I'll fix my vlog once once I'm okay. I'm not stressing out of this bad bone. Bad bone. So I promise I'm gonna upload more of this video. I'm just gonna wait for the subscribers. I can upload live without subscribers. So, muna ako sa'yo. Just want to tell you something before you guys leave. I'll play it first. Cora Bells. Um, for those who is still not subscribe to my YouTube channel, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel kasi makukulangan ako ng mga viewers ko sa channel. Hindi pa nga ako dumami eh. Mawawala ako ng give me a support. Please guys. It's my dream to do this in my childhood. So you guys, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna wait for you guys to, you know, to watch my YouTube channel back to back, and then mag mag-aayos ako ng video ko para hindi putol-putol. Okay guys, so this is that's this is only for today. Yeah, please support me guys. I'm only 19, but I'm this thing that I'm doing right now, it's for helping my family. Para makapera ako, hindi lang makapera, dumami ako ng views. Bakit hindi mo? So that you'll get to know me in person, not in a secret person. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, 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 guys. Kayo lang ngayong hope ko. You know? Yeah, so that's it. Bye.